Sora 2 currently defines the benchmark for AI video generation, with its high-fidelity clips appearing across social feeds daily. However, native access remains tightly controlled. OpenAI limits the tool based on geographical region and specific user tiers. This leaves most creators locked out of the standard interface and stuck on a waitlist. Google's Veo 3.1 has emerged as the immediate alternative for high-tier video, while the Sora 2 rollout continues. Choosing between these tools means deciding whether to wait for native access, move to Veo 3.1, or utilize a third-party workaround. Assessing these models requires looking past the pixels and evaluating the practical hurdles of accessibility and workflow. Aggregators bridge the gap. They target models in the top left quadrant, high hype, low access. They bypass regional locks, providing access to Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 without waitlists. But this convenience adds constraints, forcing you into the aggregator's interface and pricing ecosystem. Relying on a third-party wrapper can also mask the specific prompting nuances of the underlying models. Determining the right approach requires an analysis of both the raw model output and the methods needed to generate it. Using these intermediaries trades granular control for the speed of a frictionless workflow. A standard evaluation often involves a baseline test, feeding the exact same text prompts into Sora 2 and Veo 3.1. This method attempts to measure how each architecture handles motion physics and prompt adherence under identical conditions. Applying the same reference image in image-to-video tests further illustrates the differences in visual translation. Measured identical prompts ignore a technical reality. These models have distinct syntax preferences. Sora 2 generally performs better with descriptive, narrative phrasing, while Veo 3.1 often yields better results with technical camera instructions. Forcing a fair test through identical language actively starves the model of the specific instructions it was trained to understand. Optimizing prompts for each specific model provides a more accurate picture of its capabilities. A thorough evaluation tests a model at its absolute best by utilizing instructions tailored to its architecture. For users moving quickly or working without a pre-written script, templates provide a path around the blank prompt hurdle. Aggregator platforms offer predefined structures for content like podcasts or animated stories. In this workflow, the creator provides character references and a high-level summary rather than a frame-by-frame description. The back-end AI agent translates that summary into a series of detailed storyboards automatically. Relying on these templates limits you to the specific structural choices made by the platform. This method prioritizes the immediate delivery of a finished sequence over granular directorial control. High-end narrative work requires iterative refinement to maintain visual continuity across multiple scenes. Features like Add to Chat allow you to isolate single scenes and rewrite instructions without affecting the rest of the project. This targeted regeneration is more efficient than re-rendering an entire project to fix a single error. Generating the initial clip is only the first step. Achieving narrative continuity requires secondary prompting and patience. Your choice between Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 depends on the specific bottlenecks in your personal workflow. If prompt fatigue is your primary barrier, utilizing Sora 2 through aggregator templates offers the highest return on your time. Creators focused on multi-scene stories should prioritize platforms with robust iterative tools to handle the necessary refinements. Professional pipelines requiring absolute control should avoid aggregator wrappers in favor of native interfaces. Testing on native platforms is the only way to accurately gauge the raw capabilities of the model. Success with these advanced tools comes from using tailored instructions that respect the model's unique training and syntax. The most effective AI video generator is the one that integrates seamlessly into your actual production reality.